We'll guide you through how to highlight an active row in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in my Excel sheet, and what we're going to be able to do is go and highlight the active row. This is really convenient to do because if you've got a lot of different columns and they go really far to the right and just go across the page, you can go and lose track of which one you're looking at. So what we can do is when we're clicking on the row, the entire row is going to go and be highlighted with the color of your choice. And so you can easily go back to the start and go and see the name or another number or bit of data you're looking for. So it makes this full guide. It's important to note as well, we are covering multiple different ways you can go about this, as we're going to show you a way which is going to work for older versions of Excel and newer. And at the end, there is another way, which is a new feature. So older versions won't have it. So we're going to start with the version which should work with more versions of Excel. So to go and get started, what we need to do is you need to go and select the sheet. To do that, press Ctrl A like so, and everything is now highlighted, as you can see. With it all highlighted, you then want to go to the top of Excel and make sure you're in the Home tab. Come over to the right into the Styles section here, and you want to go and press Conditional Formatting. You're going to go and see some different options here. What you want to do is come down the list and go and find the option for New Rule, and you want to go and click there like so. And now you're going to go and get this new formatting rule pop up. So you can go and choose the different rule types. There's quite a few here. Don't get overwhelmed here. We're going to guide you through exactly what you need to do. Go and press on the option, use a formula to determine which cells to format, as essentially we're doing like a format as we are going to be highlighting them. Now what we need to do is go and type in the formula here. So I'm going to tell you what you need to go and type in step by step. So because this is the formula, we're starting with an equals. So press equals. Now we need to go and type in a row, R-O-W. Next, you want to go and put in open bracket, close bracket. Now we need to go and put in another equals. And you type in cell, C-E-L-L. Now go and do a open bracket. And what we need to do is then go and put in the quotation marks. So I'm going to do that now. As you can see, there we go, there's one. And then type in R-O-W, row. And we're going to go and put quotation marks again. And then what you need to do is go and put a close bracket like this. That is the formula there, as you can see. So you can go and type that in exactly. You can also go and copy it from the description. We'll go and put it in there. Now, what we need to do is go and choose what's actually going to go and happen when we go and have a row selected, because at the moment we haven't got that selected. You need to go and press Format in the bottom right, and you'll get this pop up. So you can go and choose the different tabs at the top. Of course, we want to go and do Fill because that's how we're then going to be able to highlight it. Personally, I like to do a light blue color, but of course yours can be different. I don't want to make it something too dark because of course the text is black, so it won't be visible. So make it something quite light, and then you want to go and press OK, and you can then go and press OK. Now, as you can see, it's highlighted, but if I go and click another row, it doesn't go and change. Don't worry, there's a simple fix to this. We haven't quite finished. You need to come to the sheet at the bottom, right click, and you need to go and press on View Code. Now at the top here it says General, click on the arrow to the right and press Worksheets. In here, place your cursor in between private and end, and you want to go and type in target with a capital T dot calculate, and you can go and select that. It's going to get suggested to you like so. I'll just go and type it in, and then you can go and press enter. With that typed in, you can then close the editor in the top right, and we can come and close out of this in the top right as well. And now when I go and click on a row, you can go and see it's highlighted. It's that simple. So this can make things much easier. So hopefully you've gone and got the result you wanted. Now, as I said, you can also do this a different way in newer versions of Excel. So what I'm going to do here is just go and undo this for now. And what we can then do is we can go up to the top and find the View tab. And in the View tab, you want to come to the Show section, and you're going to find the option for Focus Cell. Press the arrow to the right, and you can hover over Focus Cell Color and choose the color. I'm going to do a light blue like this. And now you should go and enable it. And now, as you can see, when I go and click on a cell, it's going to go and help us go and easily go and navigate the column and the row. So it can be a little bit better in that way, but hopefully you've now managed to achieve what you wanted to. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides.